We're out here with our plus poles, a really fun exercise or things that we've set up just for teaching a horse to really focus and pay attention, and the benefits of this as well are gonna get the timing from the rider to the horse to really mesh up and work together, okay? So what I want you guys to think about with this is like a city intersection, okay? So as we come around to this four corners, we have options. We could go straight, we could go right, we could have gone left. There's many options. Now when we come out of here, same thing. You could go anywhere, okay? Now we could still circle the city, or we could come back in, okay? Anything is a possibility. So what it's doing is I've been working with this horse, Gracie, to get neck reined better, okay? So I have something where I'm saying, hey, you need to turn, and she sees exactly how much space she has, so the neck reining part of this really starts to make sense to her, okay? So instead of just steering left and right a whole bunch of times out in the big flat arena with nothing to pay attention to, this is something where we can both work on our timing. Now, if it's getting pretty good at a walk, then we can turn it up a little bit. It's a little bit more difficult if we do this at a trot, okay? So, as I've made some videos on how we are trying to get those horses to neck rein better, so reference that to help you with this. But if that horse doesn't, right there, she kind of pushed that shoulder out to the, didn't want to move to the left, or it pushed out to the left, so I would use my leg to back up what I'm saying, okay? So really, I want my horse to be able to steer either with my legs or my reins, and if it was really an eminent thing we needed right now, I could use both at the same time, okay? So keep looking where we want to go. This is the thing that gets a lot of people jammed up at times, is they don't look where they want to go, they stare at the horse's ears. So right there, she got a little bit sloppy there, so I had to get that left leg on that left shoulder, asking her to turn right. So I'll ask again here. Come on, see if we can get that shoulder moving over a little better. Good, I like that. So we'll come out here and give her another option. Say, come on, move. We'll come back in again. There, come out. We'll turn left this time, okay? So really how I'll use this is wherever my horse is needing some help on those turns, that's the direction that I'll turn when I come in, okay? So the right turn hasn't been amazing with her, so we'll just keep practicing some right turns. There we go. This time we'll turn left. Now, we could, again, circle the city. We could do there, dropping her head down. That sound right there, I always jokingly refer to as a horse blowing out shenanigans, okay? When they drop that nose down and we know that they're thinking, okay? We know that they're focusing. Good. Now you notice she's coming around. Whoa. Asking that horse really to just think. And if we do this, say, I won't do this for hours and hours, certainly, just a few minutes at a time every day, asking that horse to really just focus on something tangible. Now you notice these are set up right now. There are 8 of these poles. They are set up about 4 feet apart. As your horse gets better, you can certainly increase the difficulty by decreasing the distance, right? Get them closer together. That certainly would make the timing of your turns in the middle much more difficult. That's another thing that you can do. But again, do this in small increments. I wouldn't do this for hours and hours, but this can be a really fun exercise that you can do in your arena. And all you need is you can use jump poles. These are landscape timbers, things you can get at Lowe's or your local hardware store, whatever, okay? Thanks for watching. I hope that helps, and be sure to watch the other videos in this series on how we're getting our horses to turn and maneuver better. Hope you like that. We'll see you down the trail.